of going to cause the coffee dirty. I still am. I'm just gonna give it a quick rinse, let the ceramic do the work. This is what I'm working with. So I just hit my head on the garage door. You see how it's halfway down. I normally don't do that. Y'all know I'm not a morning person, so hopefully I don't have no concussion. All I wanted to come in here to do was get the H2O to perform a detail at Cars and Coffee consciously with a fresh carbon fiber. Not carbon fiber, I might be concussed, y'all. A fresh microfiber towel. And then we'll be on our way. So we didn't make it to the Cars and Coffee. I started getting, I was joking about a concussion, but I probably have it. You can see it's getting worse. But 22 minutes outside of the meet, and my head just started hurting. So here we are. We did the speed limit on 95. Everybody know me, that's not me. But we're at Panera Bread, just to make best of the weekend, the holiday weekend. Fucked me up. I was playing around with the concussion. If I did have one, I thought it was gonna be like manageable, but you gotta listen to your body. So it's another one. BWI to ATXF. Hopefully we get it right next time. So if you're seeing this, I'm straight. Y'all take care.